Meaning of dirt farmer.
Dirt farmer.
Dirt farmer.
Dirt farmer.
Dirt farmer. The term dirt farmer usually refers to someone who works on a small, family-owned farm where the income is modest and the work is often grueling. These farmers typically grow a variety of crops and raise livestock, relying heavily on their own physical labor and minimal machinery. While dirt farmer may carry a negative connotation, many consider it a badge of honor, representing a way of life that values hard work, self-sufficiency, and close ties to the land. Despite the challenges they face, dirt farmers play a vital role in producing food and sustaining rural communities.